Right, welcome back again. My name is Abel Gray Cantoma from GREYTEST Design Consult. Um, we have been able to model these in Protastructure 2024. Now, all I want us to do now is to go to the foundation layout. Let's go to the foundation level rather. So we are here. Let me try to insert for this particular one, insert part footing, and let's see what we have. Mind you, we are still exploring the software to see the capability, what it can do in the version 2024. Although we have been able to pinpoint some great features that this one has over the 2022. So let's keep going to see what we can do with this. Way more than the previous version. Okay, so I think most of what we have here are still almost the same with the previous one as far as the foundation is concerned, although this is just part foundation. We've not tested for other types of foundation to see. But let's see how this look. Let me explore more on let's see, let me explore more on insert. Let us insert a pile cap. Okay, still loading. Okay, good, we are here. Okay, this is what we have. Well, so far I can say that version 2024 is very stable without bugs. That is one thing I have noticed with the 2024. That means they are really really working on most of our reviews that we have been giving. This is cool, although I didn't really insert any information about the piles, so I'm just going to just adopt whatever is giving me for now. We are just still trying to understand the interface, how it works and all of that. Okay, right, this is good. Let me insert a beam. Let me see, like a normal regular ground beam, Okay, insert strip footing. This is also available in version 2022. Okay, see. Insert wall by dragging. This wall, is it available in I don't think that wall is available in version 2022. I doubt. Strip footing label D. Okay. Surcharge reaction coefficient, cantilever. Okay, the width. Okay, I'm just going to adopt everything as it is here. I just want us to explore more on the software to see its capability as compared to the previous version. I just noticed a very new feature which I doubt was really existing in the previous version. I'm going to be showing you more of that in the next episode. So make sure you stay safe and you stay blessed. Always like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Okay, I will keep giving you updates about the Protastructure 2024 as we go through this journey together.